In today's video, we're going to make our own therapeutic mouthwash and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. This mouthwash is antibacterial and antiseptic. It's great for overall oral health and can soothe minor mouth issues. Alright, let's get to it. We need 2 ounces of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is an antiseptic, so it can help treat minor irritations like cuts or canker sores in the mouth. It's also antibacterial and supports against gum disease and sore throats due to bacterial infection. It can also help whiten your teeth. 6 ounces of water. 1 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle. Essential oils I like to use is tea tree, peppermint, and clove bud essential oils. 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. Tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, and supports inflammation reduction. 10 drops of peppermint essential oil. Peppermint oil is antibacterial and leaves your mouth feeling cool and fresh. 10 drops of clove bud essential oil. Clove bud is antibacterial, antifungal, and can soothe tooth pain and support against inflammation. Combine 2 ounces of 3% hydrogen peroxide and 6 ounces of water in a bowl. Then add 10 drops of tea tree, 10 drops of peppermint, and 10 drops of clove bud essential oil. Then add mixture to an 8-ounce amber plastic PET bottle and shake. Swish around mouth and gargle for 30 seconds. Only use 2 to 3 times a week to avoid irritating your gums. Do not swallow mouthwash and stop use if it causes irritation. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in a cool and dry space. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.